guys, what's up? Today we're going to be doing a quick unboxing of the Medusa's beauty box here. This is their big, huge birthday box. And this box right here will determine if I will continue with Medusa's or not. I have not seen any unboxings on this, but I am very excited to unbox it for you guys today. So if you guys want to see what's in the August Medusa beauty box, please keep watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you're doing today. Okay, guys, so this Medusa's box arrived late, and I was so annoyed with that as well. Now, I know I'm assuming that they take the payment out the same time every month that you originally signed up for it, but the box came maybe like 3 days ago, and I had some other boxes I had to unbox, and I'm just like so over this late shipping. So we're gonna unbox it really quick, guys. This box is $16.95 per month, and it does include shipping. You get 4 full-size beauty products, and this is a vegan and cruelty-free box. So without further ado, we're just gonna get right on into it, guys. And this is their big birthday box, where they're supposed to have more products than ever in it. So we shall see. Okay, and this is how it is looking on the inside of the box. It is a very cute box. I actually really loved my Medusa's unboxing that I had last month. I really liked those products. They were really cute. We have a card. It says new in the shop. It tells you some new products that they have, which is like a hair dye and some glitters. And this is the birthday box, and it tells us all of the products that we received, and they do have the prices down here, which y'all know I will put at the bottom of the screen and do a grand total towards the end. So let's get into it. It says, hi, thanks for subscribing, Daya, and it gives you a $5 off coupon here. So first up, I don't know if this is part of the box. Let's see. Oh yeah, so they sent over these little stickers as part of the birthday box right here. These are very, very cute. I'll give these to my niece, and these retail for $2. Up next, I am seeing this raw organic facial wipe, this botanical skin aloe vera and green tea facial wipe right here. And let's see, it removes waterproof mascara made with 100% organic cotton, and it's biodegradable. So that we have here, and let's see what this retails for, guys. And the facial wipe retails for $2 as well. Up next, we have this keychain here. This little keychain that came in this plastic here. And it says Medusa's makeup on the front here, and on the back it says escape the ordinary, and it has a number on it. It reminds me like of a hotel key. This is really cute. I would probably, I don't know, probably give this away or give it to my niece or somebody. And let's see, this here retails for, where is it? $8, guys, $8. Next up, I'm seeing, oh, a nice pretty brush here. I didn't know Medusa's made brushes, but this is, oh, okay. So it's a nice pointed brush, perfect for getting that powder underneath the eyes like that. This is very beautiful. Look at the handle. Oh my God, it is gorgeous. Bristles are nice and soft. I actually really like this brush. Okay, alrighty. And this right here is the, y'all, I can't see these little bitty words. The glitter blush brush, and it retails for $9. Up next, we have the Medusa's Makeup Liquid Eyeshadow in the shade Audrey. And this is what the outside packaging is looking like, guys. And let me open it up really quick. Ooh, it's a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful gold shade right there. I'm not gonna open it up. I'm gonna put this in a giveaway. I don't really wear liquid eyeshadows, but this is a beautiful, beautiful color. And let's see how much this retails for. And this liquid eyeshadow here retails for $13, guys. Up next, we have the Medusa's Makeup Glitter Mystique. I guess this is like a little glitter shadow here. It's a blue, pretty color. I'm not gonna open it because I'm gonna put this in a giveaway. It's very, very pretty. And this retails for $8, guys. And last up in the box, we have the Sweet Cheeks Double Dare Blush. And this is what the outside packaging is looking like here. And we have the shade, I don't know if it's Double Dare. Let's see. We have, okay, I think it's Sweet Cheeks. So this is how the outside packaging is looking, guys. And this Oh, let's see if we can open it. I'm not gonna swatch it because it's kind of pink. Oh, damn it. Every time I do that, y'all, my nail hits it. And that's what it's looking like. I hit it with my doggone nail, and I wanted to put this in a giveaway. I'll just give it to my niece, I guess. So this is how it looks. It's nice and shimmery pink. Very pretty. Very, very pretty. And this is the color on my thumb. And this right here, guys, retails for let me fix it. This retails for $13, guys. That was the last item in the birthday box. We're gonna do a quick recap, final thoughts, we're rated, and that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Very quick one today. So we received the Sweet Cheeks blush here. We received this liquid eyeliner in this beautiful gold color. We received this glitter here, this loose glitter, this beautiful powder brush, the Medusa's keychain, and the raw organic face wipe and these stickers. So that's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 products for this month. Final thoughts on this box is this box would be more for like a teenage girl. I just can't see myself using any of these products at all, really. Well, I'm lying. I will definitely use the brush out of everything that I received this month. I'll just use the brush, but I mean, this box would be more like for a teenage girl. So I don't know if I'm really feeling Medusa's, guys. Their products are really creamy, really nice. They go on wonderful. I love the fact that it's cruelty and vegan free, but I don't know if this is the right box for me. I think I'm a little too seasoned for this type of box. So I don't think that I will be keeping this subscription. I think this is one that I'm definitely going to get rid of. But if I had to rate this month's box, being the big, huge birthday box, on a scale of 1 being this box is garbage, throw it to the fire, to 5 being this box is like the bomb.com, I'm gonna, keep subscribing, we're gonna give it probably a 2.5 for this month. I mean, it's nice products, it's just not for me. I mean, you guys may feel different, you may like it and have a higher rating, but for me, it's just not, it wasn't a good box for me. It's not age appropriate for me. So I'm gonna pass most of this on to my niece. I will keep the brush, but I think I'm gonna cancel this subscription, guys. Let me know how you feel in the comments down below about that. And let me know if any other boxes that's like $15 besides the Macy's box and the Sephora Play box that I could subscribe to. But that is all that I have for this video, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Make sure you're part of the Bomb Ass Subscriber Squad. Please, please, please give this video a big thumbs up if you did like it. Don't forget to follow me on social media. I'm most active on Instagram. And that is all that I have for you guys. So until next time and next video, I love you all so much. Peace.